Hello, Yellow Jackets. Today is a historic day for Georgia Tech. In our almost 136-year history, for the first time, we will not be hosting face-to-face classes. I don't want to minimize the gravity of the situation we're in. This is a significant public health crisis. It's very complex. And yet I have an immense sense of optimism that not only we will get through this together, but we will come out the other end a stronger community. I'll start with my message of gratitude. And I, of course, need to thank all students for what they've done over the past 2 weeks. I know it's been hard and stressful to have to move out of your dorms. It's been so important for the community to reduce the number of people physically on our campus. I thank students too for the flexibility to really change their instruction to a distance online format. Together, we can do this. I want to thank our faculty. If anybody had asked me just 3 months ago, would we be able within 2 weeks only to shift all of our instruction online, I would have said absolutely no way. And guess what? Our faculty have done just that. For sure, the next few days may not be perfect and there will be glitches, but I have no doubt that we're going to be successful in really shifting all the courses online and keep the learning going, keep the growth going. I've also been incredibly inspired by the job of many of our faculty who didn't hesitate to start thinking creative ways of helping us fight this fight against this pandemic. You may have followed through some of our news pieces or social media how some of our engineering faculty jumped on and started designing new personal protective equipment to keep our doctors, our nurses, and healthcare professionals safe. And that's what makes me very, very hopeful about the future of our community and the future of Georgia Tech. I want to thank our alumni. It didn't take them long to call and say, what can we do? They launched a wonderful campaign on social media under the hashtag Swarm Strength, where they're sending messages of support and optimism and strength to our students. I want to thank all of our staff for their flexibility, their dedication, their ability to, in many cases, take their work home and work remotely and somehow figure out creative ways to get the job done. But also the many staff members who are still on campus, who are serving the students who could not move out. You may have heard that neighbors in Midtown every day at 8 p.m. open their windows and cheer and applaud and celebrate the work of first responders and healthcare workers. We're going to be joining that moment every day at 8 p.m. The Georgia Tech steam whistle will sound strong. Together, we will get through this. We can do this. We're as strong together as a community as we've ever been.